Sabrina Phillips here with Designing Women of Orange County, and yes, tonight I'm down on my knees because I want to show you how to get rid of scratches that are either in a wood floor or like in this one, this is an engineered wood floor. And so we had a few little scratches that happened during construction here, unfortunately. Now I've come through already actually and done one coat of this. This is called Varathane. You can get this from Home Depot. This is touch-up marker stain. And so you can come across with this. You just push down lightly, it'll release a little bit of stain. Yep, there you go. And see how that covers it up very nicely. But you're not going to want a line across there, of course. So I like to let it dry just a little bit and then come across and may take 2 or 3 coats. Another way to do it is on this dark area. I'm actually using a black permanent marker. And this is a nice little trick of the trade I like to use. Now I just take my hand, my finger across it, and get rid of it that way. I'll come back over this one later with this stain again. Here's another one that happened here. You're going to come right in here with stain. See how I covered it up nicely, but we don't want that horizontal line going across there. We want to wipe it off just a little bit. I'm just, see, it's just very lightly here. Let's go take a look at a couple of these other ones. This is going to take about 3 coats of this to get it done and get it done right. We had a few other marks, unfortunately, that happened on this floor. And so, we're going to come in here. We're just going to touch this up here. And just stay right there in the line and just let it soak in for a little bit. Come over to some of these other marks that have happened in here. And let those sit for just a little bit while you're just kind of touching up the other ones. And so this has, like I said, and we can use this on furniture. As a matter of fact, there was a little scratch on one of this client's pieces of furniture, and I actually took it to that furniture already, whether he knows it or not. So I fixed that up real quick, and now I'm just going to come back over this and very lightly kind of come across it again. We're just making a little bit of progress with this. I like to see a little bit better progress with it. So kind of artistically, I'm just going to come in and kind of fill that in. I'm going to drag my finger up and down that, and that'll blend in nicely to what he's got. So again, like I said, you can use this, it's Varathane from Home Depot or Lowe's, I'm sure carries it as well, but it's a touch-up stick. I'm going to come back over these a couple of more times and might just let that sit just a little bit longer. Just dab it right into that little area there and just let it sit for a little bit and come back to it here in a moment. But anyway, I hope that helps. If you've got any honey-do lists going on, to-do list on your home, or you're doing some remodeling and you get some scratches on something or the other, or like I said, this works great on furniture. It's great to keep around. Just match up whatever color of furniture you've got, obviously, to the stain stick, and it should really help. Thanks for watching.